Against Drunk Driving is partnering with law enforcement for Saturation Saturday. The goal is to help save lives on the roads and raise awareness about the dangers of driving drunk ahead of the Labor Day holiday weekend. Chris Bryant looks into this safety initiative.
In 2024, over the Labor Day weekend, the Missouri State Highway Patrol says that 7 people died on Missouri roadways from drunk driving. In addition, the Highway Patrol made 108 arrests for DUI across the state. Sheila Lockwood knows the pain of losing a child to a drunk driver.
The devastation after someone that you love is taken from a crime that is so preventable. And, he was healthy, happy. He had just graduated college. He was on his way to having a very happy, healthy, loving life. And it was ripped away from all of us. And there is not one day that has gone by in the last 20, almost 700 days that I haven't cried and missed him.
This weekend, MADD will partner with more than 100 law enforcement agencies across the state for Saturation Saturday. MADD staff and volunteers will join forces with officers and deputies to reinforce the life-saving message: if you drink, don't drive.
People make horrible decisions when they drink, and that's why it's really important before you go out and start to party, before you go out and have that first drink, make sure you've planned for a safe ride home.
Currently, the Drive Sober or Get Pulled Over campaign is underway.
Anything can happen out here on these highways. Any type of situation can occur. So, I mean, let's don't add more to that to make it even more difficult to get from point A to point B.
Sheriff Cass Martin says leaving your vehicle at a location because you are impaired is a good option. Just get permission from a property owner or let police know you are leaving your vehicle.
It's a win-win. Get home safely, keeping yourself safe and others safe on the road. I don't see why this is such an issue.
MADD says while education and enforcement help, the laws and punishments need to be stronger to discourage drinking and driving.
People will be, picked up for drunk driving or impaired driving and end up getting a slap on the wrist. Maybe it's changed to speeding or reckless driving or whatever it may be, but it's not fixing the problem. And we have got to do a better job as society to fix this problem.
In the state of Missouri, you're considered over the legal limit if you're 21 years of age and have a blood alcohol concentration of 0.08. However, if you're under 21 years of age, that blood alcohol concentration limit drops to 0.02. On your first offense for a conviction of DUI, you could face up to 6 months in jail, fines of around $500, and suspension of your license for 30 days. In the newsroom, Chris Bryant, KY3 News.